someone who have a show like this show, Ask Imam Kareem, and then you host individuals who are questionable, but I think the sister is saying that he has many followers. Yani, alhamdulillah, we have enough that to keep us busy. But he has maybe like 3-4 times followers than 5, yani many followers. I think she used 100,000 or something like that, which is a lot of people. Should we use this popular platform to host somebody who questionable, people questioned his belief system, or somebody who is a promoter of immorality in general? According to Islam, immorality according to Islam, not according to the society. The answer right away, no. No. Even if your intention is to debate with the one with the religious issues, because he could end up more eloquent than you and simply could defeat you in front of everybody and prove his point. That is why, brothers and sisters in Islam, when we debate with non-Muslims even, we shouldn't do this in public in front of Muslims. Because sometimes when you debate, you may use stuff that has nothing to do with the Quran and the Sunnah. So, if you want to give this person, this individual da'wah, you should do it in private. You should do it in private. If you want to rectify and correct his faith, you should do this in private, between you and him. Maybe you record it, and if you see it beneficial, later on put it online. But a live broadcast like this, absolutely not, brothers and sisters in Islam. You are responsible. I'm responsible for anybody who comes on this Ask Imam Kareem live show and he says something that is not correct, because I have the controls, right? I'm responsible. Now, as for bringing someone with immoral issues, come on, what are you doing? There is something wrong with you here. This is like the extreme here. You know, maybe we could find some excuses for you to host somebody with issues in the religion that you're trying to refute him in public, that you're able to refute him and prove him wrong in front of the masses, hoping that you're not giving him a platform to come and promote his lies against the religion. But someone has immoral issues. What are you doing? What are you doing? Quite frankly, whoever does that, I would not listen to him. I would not watch him anymore. And I would stay away from this individual. You know, unless he comes back, if he's a learned person, yani somebody who studied the religion, who comes back and simply apologize, remove that material from the Facebook or wherever he posted it, even though we know stuff gets just copied all over the place, and rectify his condition, then we may go back and learn from him, inshallah.